Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about Splunk overview and its architecture. So by end of this video you will understand what Splunk is, how its main components work, and how it simplifies log management and analysis. Let's get started. First, what is Splunk? Splunk is a software platform that allow users to search, analyze, and visualize the machine generated data from various sources. The source can be application, web server, or network device. Let's say you are managing a web server and you want to spot unusual activities or unusual logins. If your application is not integrating with Splunk, you have to go ahead and check your log files on each and every server, right? And what if the log files are huge? It will be difficult, right? It will be difficult finding unusual activities, and it will take lot of time. Eventually you will miss some important events or pattern. Let's say your application is integrated with Splunk. Splunk collects log from all server and store that in indexer. Basically indexer index the data and make it easy to search instantly, so that you can set alerts to notify you about the suspicious logins. Let's move forward. So this is the Splunk architecture. Basically Splunk involves three main major components. Number one is forwarder, number two is indexer, number three is searcher. So as you are seeing the diagram. So what is the purpose of the forwarder? Forwarder installed on the source machine that gather data from various sources. As I mentioned earlier, it can collect data from applications, web servers, or any other network devices. Once it gather the data, it will forward the data to indexer, and the indexer job is to receive the data from forwarder, parse it, and store it in an organized searchable format. Basically this is the place where the data is stored in the Splunk architecture. The last but not least is searched. Searched is an user interface where you search, analyze, visualize the data, and create dashboard or alerts. Basically whenever we are triggering the Splunk query, it will go and fetch the data from the indexer and display it in UI. So this is the overall Splunk architecture. Now hope you have an idea about Splunk and its component. So today we have covered only the theoretical foundation of Splunk, and in our next video we will dive into the practical application of everything we discussed today. Thank you so much.